Good morning mga ka-realtor, another house, another day. I'm here at Abida Towers, Aspira, located on Ramon Chavez Street, Barangay 24, Cagayan de Oro City. It is situated in the heart of the city. This unit is a junior one-bedroom, furnished unit with a size of 25 square meter. Upon entering the unit, you can see the toilet and bath on the right side, while on the left side is the kitchen area, dining area, and the living area, as well as the one bedroom. This unit is perfect for a newlywed or small families with one child. It is also ideal for a rental business since it is near malls, restaurants, churches, and banks and establishment. Amenities: swimming pool, multi-purpose hall, open plaza, viewing deck, playground equipment, game room, fitness zones, and retail. And this unit is convenience for the other establishment. If you like this unit, do not hesitate to contact me or leave a message below for the complete details and price. This is Albert, a licensed real estate salesperson. Good morning and God bless. Goodbye.